It's Renee here, reporting from my funnel lab, my wins for the week. So we are doing this week, we are focusing on designing my affiliate program offer. And in that, I have created a workbook. And my workbook, is this it right here? Yeah, it is. So I made a workbook for last week. We finished this October 28th, which was yesterday. Designed my affiliate program. Obviously, there's 6 steps to design it, which is define my core offer, set commission structure, choose tracking and payment setup, define tiers and rewards, set rules and requirements, draft your affiliate agreement, and plan affiliate onboarding. And then I actually have the steps outlined and how I completed each of them. I completed the checklist. So I did that last week. So I have my official rules and expectations right there. These are the steps we had to complete. I have my affiliate welcome kit. We're going to be adding to it, but this is a start of it. And it talks about all the things that's happening in my affiliate program. And this is just the foundation. It's going to probably be expanded. So we got that. I went through the certification program and we were working on the webinar. If you're in the certification program, you get a white label webinar. They send it to us in a Google Doc, which makes it easy. I downloaded this to my computer, uploaded it to YouTube. Then I take that video and I take it to my ClickFunnels software where I build my funnels. And I built out a webinar registration page, a thank you page, and a broadcast page. The broadcast page is where we're going to put this video. So this right here, I grabbed the YouTube link, even though it's still uploading. I can still grab the link, get shareable link. Then I throw that in here. So when it finishes uploading to YouTube, it'll be here. Let's check out what it looks like. So right now, obviously, the thing's not uploading. And I still got to put my images and stuff in here. But that's it. I need to change that button color. That's that. Let's go back. So I'm working on my webinar registration page. Then there's a thank you page. I finished that. The day of the broadcast, this will be the broadcast page that will be emailed to them. Then up in here, let's go back. Let's go back to the funnel steps. Then the last thing that we'll do is add in the email workflows, which I've already did, attach a workflow, and the follow-up emails once people join my affiliate program. And I've already attached it, so I'm not going to add it again. But that's what I've gotten done last week. I will be working on tweaking and making this look good. So next week, I'll give you a image. I'll show you what my webinar funnel looks like. So if you guys need any help or anything, assistance in building out your affiliate system, your bridge page or your webinar, I can help you do that. Or I am offering free calls for setup and getting your first offer launched. That's what I've done for the week. That's my win. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.